Hello everyone, myself lecturer Aditi Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to discuss about the experiments from Pharmaceutics 2. So let's discuss about the granules. These are the certain solid medicaments which are administered orally in the large doses because they cannot be prescribed in the tablet and capsules. Sweetening, flavoring, coloring agent and a suitable granulating agent is added to make the coherent mass. Effervescent granules, they are specially prepared solid dosage form of medicament producing effervescence meant for internal use. They may contain medicament mixed with citric acid, tartaric acid and sodium bicarbonate. Sometimes the sweetening agent may be added. Method of preparation of these effervescent granules are heat method and wet method. We will discuss about actual experiment in next session.
Experiment number 81. Title of this experiment is to prepare and submit the effervescent granules containing iron and ammonium citrate 5 gram. Proposition 1. Effervescent granules are the uncoated granules generally containing acid substances and carbonates which react rapidly in presence of water to release the carbon dioxide. Learning objectives are to understand the technique of preparation of effervescent granules and ability to prepare and label effervescent granules in the correct manner. Apparatus required are evaporating dish, sieves, spatula, hot air oven. Factor calculated as quantity required upon quantity given is equal to 5 upon 46.55, that is equal to 0.11. We have, this is a prescription which is denoted by the symbol Rx. This is the prescription given over here. So let's discuss in detail about the formulation table. Type, that is category, use or role of ingredient. Translation means the name of ingredient. We don't have the quantity given in imperial system as the formula is not given in Latin terminology. We directly have the quantity given in metric system for preparing 46.55 gram of granules and quantity taken in metric system for preparing 5 gram of granules. Sodium bicarbonate in powder form, that is used as an antacid. Quantity given in metric system is 20.40 gram and the taken quantity should be 2.24 gram. This quantity should be calculated with the help of factor. Tartaric acid in powder, it is used as an effervescent base. Quantity given in metric system is 10.80 gram. Taken quantity should be 1.18 gram. Citric acid in powder form, used as the source of carbon dioxide. The quantity given in metric system is 7.20 gram. Taken quantity should be 0.79 gram. Refined sugar in powder form, used as a sweetening agent. Quantity given is 6 gram. Taken quantity should be 0.66 gram. Iron and ammonium citrate in powder form, it is used as an anti-caking agent and to balance the acidity. Quantity given is 2.15 gram. Taken quantity should be 0.23 gram. Direction to be used as directed by physician.
So for preparing effervescent granules, we have sodium bicarbonate which is a previously weighed. This is a tartaric acid which is also previously weighed. This is a citric acid which is also previously weighed. This is a refined sugar, that is sucrose, which is previously weighed. This is iron and this is ammonium citrate. So iron and ammonium citrate powders which are also previously weighed. So first of all, now I am taking this evaporating dish and then going to proceed for heating of this dish on water bath. So now I am proceed for heating of this evaporating dish. So we will wait for few minutes for heating of this evaporating dish on this water bath. So now our evaporating dish is properly become hot. So now we will proceed for next addition of each ingredient into it. So now our we have this hot porcelain dish. So now I am going to add each and every ingredient into it in the order of ascending order, that is from lower to higher concentration. So first of all I am going to add this ammonium citrate into it. Then this is the iron powder. This is also I am going to add into it. Then next one, that is sucrose, refined sugar. This is also added into this. Then next I am going to add this citric acid into it. Then tartaric acid added into this evaporating dish, and last one, that is sodium bicarbonate is also added into this evaporating dish, and then now I am going to proceed for forming proper mixture of it, as our evaporating dish is hot. So I will hold this with the help of this holder, and now proceed for mixing of all these ingredients into this hot evaporating dish. We will mix it till the coherent lumpy damp mass is formed. As let's see, the damp lumpy mass is get formed. So now I am going to transfer this coherent damp mass from the sieve to form granules. Now the lumpy mass is formed, so I am going to transfer this from this granulating sieve, and we have this is paper, white paper below to this sieve for collecting the granules which are passed from this sieve. So let's proceed for granulating, forming of granules by passing this coherent damp mass from this granulating sieve. So now I am passing these granules from this sieve So let's see, the granules are passing from this sieve. So let's see, all the damp mass is passed from this sieve. So we have our granules are ready. So now I am proceeding for drying these granules on the hot air, in the hot air oven. So let's proceed for drying of these granules. So now we will proceed for drying of our formed granules into this hot air oven. So we will keep it for few hours for drying at 50 to 60 degrees Celsius. So let's see, our granules are dried completely. So now we will wrap these granules into the butter paper, and then we will store this into this wide mouth bottle and proceed for next labeling part. So now let's proceed for labeling of formulation. Effervescent granules containing iron and ammonium citrate 5 gram for ABC, that is the name of patient, register number XYZ means number given in the register, dispensed by PQR, that is name of pharmacist, date, this is the manufacturing date, September 2020, store in cool and dark place for internal use only, to be used as directed by physician, manufactured by Element Pharmacy Nasik. Result, the 5 gram of effervescent granules containing iron and ammonium citrate is submitted in this wide mouth bottle for inspection with special instruction on label as for internal